Hey guys, it's Heather Andrews. I am a native butterfly gardener here in central Pennsylvania, a master gardener, and an award-winning butterfly garden designer. And I am so excited to invite you to join me on this journey so you too can host the jewels of the garden. I'm a clinical researcher by day, and I love to teach people how to take that very complex data and apply it right in your own backyard. And we're gonna have 5 modules for you to learn everything from the why of butterfly gardening to the how of butterfly gardening and things you can do right now to take action. And we're going to teach you what you need to know and the plants that you'll definitely want to incorporate. But there are other considerations that you should know so that you can host as many pollinators as possible. Sign up now and let's get started.